Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook chili con carne. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video.
We'll start the recipe by heating up half a cup of oil. It's on high heat. Oil is now hot and I'm going to put one medium onion chopped. Keep on stirring the onion till it gets light brown. So it's important to keep stirring the onion because it will cook equally all the way. Now we'll put chopped garlic, 3 cloves. I'm still cooking it on high heat. I can smell the garlic now, it roasts good. Next we'll put 1.5 cups of pureed tomatoes. I'm going to reduce the temperature to medium and keep on stirring. We'll add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, one teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We'll let it cook on medium for a minute or so. This is 1 pound of minced turkey. You can also use beef or chicken. Now keep on blending nicely. This is still on medium. And we are blending the meat with all the masala. Meat looks pretty good right now. You don't have to separate the meat so much. It can stay in the little lumps. Now I'm going to put about 1 cup of water and blend the whole thing nicely. And I'll reduce the temperature to medium-low. We'll let the meat cook for about 15 minutes and I'll cover it up with the lid. It's 15 minutes now and I'm going to take the lid off. The meat seems to be cooking good. This is about 1 pound of beans, lentils and peas. The beans, lentil and peas are bought in a can and is already cooked. Now I'll cover the mix with the lid and cook it for another 15 minutes on low heat. It's 15 minutes now and I'm going to take the lid off. Chili con carne is cooking right now. There is more water in it, so I'm going to reduce the water a little and I'm going to put the temperature on high. And keep on stirring so it doesn't stick at the bottom. The juice has been reduced now to our liking and I'm going to shut the stove now. Now I'll take the chili out in the bowl. This is about 1/4 cup of chopped mint leaves. This is our finished chili con carne, ready to eat.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so and make sure you hit the bell button so you are notified each and every time we post a new video. If you have any comments for us, please leave them below in the comment section, and remember to share this video with all of your friends.
Until next time.
Okay, now it's time for the taste test. This is perfect for the cold winter weather. Let's go. It's hot. Oh yeah, it's got some good kick to it too. I'm gonna taste the cayenne pepper. Oh yeah.
I think it's just right.
It's a good heat. If you can't take spicy, then maybe not, but if you can take a little bit of heat, it's perfect. Bite number 2. Really good. Body's getting warmed up right about now.
Yes, yeah.
Make sure you all try this in your home. It's really good.
It has turned out good. Really good. Thumbs up.